Please, time, don't worry. They can write it. Time, they can write it. Thank you very much. My time is short. They can write it. Because of Obanti, First King 11:4. It's 1 King 11:4. Because of Obanti, said Solomon, Obema Nyame siesie na Nyame dona me papa David nti. For it came to pass when Solomon was old that his wives turned away his heart after other gods. God bless you very much. Producer, God bless you. Because of woman. Bible, according to Bible. Because of woman. Solomon, for Yemen, and a man of God. And a man of God. And me see, you could share prophetess beer. Again, me penna some new faith. Me say again another 7 days. So baby again you need the children. Me ye din am say hey Awurade. And ye papa na me share baby. Na me gani bonkomo was phone 7 days. Now after 7 days, suban again you need as somebody offering who evangelist. I will preach what matter this as all them. Me am gani here ye ntinu. Me started say me who be on in the year 20 years sha. Na ma doni pano. Na ma bomba yamano because Argentina and I'm a maso, National Kodibusumechi. And yes, sir, a man in you, but Satan doesn't like women because angel doesn't have that chance. And into the Bible said, now, before a sunny bath as you know, 1 year as you know, but they die because in heaven there is no woman there. And I said, matter of fact, you know, I was said. Yehwe ya kwanye na uyo ba uma wani da ho many women think they are educated metumi hwe ma o makosuku a Mr. Dim ma o makosuku a o mabu degree a o nim wuma a ebinim ye police, doctors, lawyers sorry to say mu fanche me so ye be ma na ben o ma o Cheshe said you man uncle Suku and ebi adwin faster than Sanko for no. My mother for software your police inspector or your software no one police inspector or the police in Wufiana police in ye bibi na software ko kape na police in software sun die o sin asema after 10 minutes na bobu nkotoje na wapani chow oh miura facha me I don't know what the reason why I done that. After that within 1 week na suffer na san frame suffer and then so me that san bon asumu e dey me can me